Welcome to today's Granada Houses video. We're in the small town of Alamates in the province of Granada in Andalusia to show you this really interesting 2-bedroom bungalow. Alamates has everything that you're going to need, and this property is within walking distance of shops, bars, restaurants, everything. There's a bus that goes hourly to Granada City. Malaga Airport is at around an hour, and to drive to Granada is around 25 minutes or so. So this property comes with a nice small garden and a decent sized swimming pool, fully terraced, and this beautiful covered porch with the wood ceiling. It's been really lovely, so well done. The house is being sold mostly furnished, so pretty much everything that you see will be here. And first on the left is an outside loo. Very useful for when you're using the swimming pool. Nobody has to go into the house. And there's also a compact summer kitchen. So you can see, easy just to do a few bits and pieces. Again, for when you're out on the patio or when the family are using the pool. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, click like and share, and please leave your comments in the section below. It really does help us. So as we go in, we've got this nice open plan sitting room, dining room, kitchen with ceiling fans and an air conditioning unit. There's double glazing throughout with Persianas, and you have this nice open plan fireplace for winters. That will definitely heat the entire house. Good quality flooring, very traditional Andalusian style. So a nice fully fitted kitchen. It's a perfect size for a 2-bedroom property. It has everything that you need, decent cupboard space, oven, hob, and a really good sized pantry. So the design's been very well thought out, and you can see here a nice little breakfast bar. Enough room for at least, I think, 3 or 4 people to sit. And then we go round. I'll show you this bedroom first. This is the one that's next to the covered porch. Really good size room. And as you can see, there is an air conditioning unit, and there's also a modern style fan light. Family bathroom. Of course, as it's only 2-bedroom, there's really no need to have an ensuite, but this has everything in it that you're going to need, and a very good sized shower. And then the second bedroom is at the rear of the property, and you can see that it's a very good size room as well. So I'm going to take you outside to look at the pool. Really nice size pool. So it does have a cover, and you will see that when we go. It's a painted pool. It's not one that's being tiled. It's about 8.5 meters by 4. And it does have the steps that you can remove as and when you need to. There is an outdoor shower as well here. I'm just going to go round the pool cover and show you. There's some nice bits of garden. You could make more privacy very easily here by putting climbing plants up against these walls. And the construction of the property is such where you could build a second story. The construction on the top under the roof has been done in such a way that it's already pre-prepared to add another story, and then you could have nice views, because we're at the end of the road here. It's a very quiet street. No one's coming down here. It's not a through road. It ends at this house. So just here we have a bit of storage for your outside stuff, your swimming pool chemicals and your sunbeds and things. And then in here is the pump room for the swimming pool. So there we go. And then just beyond here is a little bit of garden. Got a nice cherry tree here. And down here, I'm going to go round and show you because it's a bit tricky to get through the ivy. You could actually construct something else if you wanted to. You would be allowed to make an additional brick building down here if you wanted to create an office or a separate little annex. That would be fine. And you've actually got quite a nice bit of room here to do that. And you can see it's absolutely flat land as well, so it would be very easy. So that one goes through to the pool, and then you could use this area to build a nice annex or just have a beautiful garden as it is. So that's our bungalow for today. We really look forward to showing you around this property. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. Like and subscribe, share if you can, and also do check out our website, granadahouses.es. We very much look forward to showing you this little slice of traditional Andalusian town living. Thank you for watching.